I want you to write down certain things that will help you. Okay? जब भी वचन हम सबके पास आता है, हम सब नोट्स लिखते हैं, right? But over a period of time, we forget. We don't remember. I don't know how many of us actually go back to our notes and refer and check what was being said. So the thing is, and if you know this house, यहाँ पे वचन की कमी नहीं है. ताज़ा वचन हमेशा आता है. So how much do you remember? So I'm giving you a shortcut, okay? A framework which you can use. आप इसका इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. So that every time you hear a word, and this applies everywhere, you can hear a YouTube video. I'm giving you certain pointers that can help you remember. Okay? तो जब भी वचन आता है, पहला सवाल आपको ये लिखना है, What was the theme? क्या थीम था और how you connect this, वो किसके बारे में बताया गया था. तो लास्ट टाइम क्या थीम था? One desire, कि हम सबको एक इच्छा रखनी है. That was the theme. Okay? So even when I am sharing the word today, I want you to fill up these parameters for you. ये चीजें लिख लो. फिर जब आप बुक खोलते हो अपनी, आपको सारे नोट्स में से जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you remember these, it is good enough. Okay? So first is, what was the theme? And who was the main character? So with that you know कि डेविड के बारे में, डेविड के रेज्यूमे के बारे में हमने पढ़ा कि वो क्या क्या उसके रेज्यूमे में था. Second question you need to ask is, what came to me as a revelation? What stood out for me? या मुझे कौन सी बात पता नहीं थी और मुझे पता चली और मुझे बहुत ही मेरे दिल को छुई. So you do this, okay? I know you all know. I know many things touched you, but make sure you narrow it down to one or two things that touched you. 3. What changes I need to make in my life? वचन तो मैंने सुन लिया और हालेलुया कहा, आमेन कहा, प्रेज द लॉर्ड कहा, लेकिन अब वो वचन को ले करके मुझे अपने जिंदगी में क्या बदलाव लाने हैं. Otherwise there's no point, right? If you are saying that I don't have to change, that means you are perfect. There's only one person who doesn't change. That's Jesus. He is the same yesterday, today and forever. All of us, we have to keep changing. We have to keep growing. तो तीसरी चीज आपको, जब आप वचन सुनते हो तो आपको देखना है कि what changes do I need to make in my life? It could be one change, okay? Keep it simple. चौथी बात, how can I get accountable? To point number 3. तो मैंने लिख तो लिया कि मुझे मेरी जिंदगी में ये बदलाव लाना है, मुझे परमेश्वर के साथ समय ज्यादा बिताना है. तो how do I keep myself accountable? Self accountability. What can I do? Maybe write down somewhere, stick it. Maybe phone a friend in the church and say, hey, I'm going to follow this and I just want to be accountable to you. Or maybe, do it with one of your family members, or just do it on your phone. Put an alarm. Every 5, I'm going to get up. Okay, do something. Don't just leave that change. Bring it under accountability. And number 5, what words do I need to declare now that needs to become a part of my identity? ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. जब आप वचन सुनते हो, वचन में से आपको कुछ जो सच्चाई है, you need to catch hold of some truth from the word of God and make it yours. So you'll remember this. We keep meeting people, we keep telling them, declare the word of God. But some of us take it very lightly. Some of us think that हमें बोलना है इसलिए बोल रहे हैं, pastors तो ऐसे ही बोलते रहते हैं. But there is power in your words. You need to pick up something that is close to you. suddenly last time when the man of God was preaching, he said, "You'll be master of all." And I wanted to do some course and gain mastery. I said, "Yeah, I claim it." That stood out for me. So that became, I made it a part of my declaration. I'm going to be a master in this. Which, if I naturally do, it's going to take a lot of time and years. Did you get it? So you'll remember these 5 things. What is the theme? So you don't have to go back to all your notes. If you can pick up this and do it creatively, okay? You make a sketch or make a post-it. Make sure you answer these 5 questions every time. So every word you can narrow it down to 2 pages or 1 page, and that should be your reference point. ये डेट को ये वर्ड था, ये थीम था, ये मैंने सीखा, ये मैंने एक्शन चेंज किया, ये मैंने घोषणा की.